Hey there, camera enthusiasts! Ready to upgrade your photography game in 2024? Well, you're in for a treat. Join us on a journey through the best cameras for beginners. It's like discovering the warmth of a cozy blanket for your visual adventures. So guess what? I've done the homework for you. I've listed my top picks for the best cameras that won't make your wallet cry. From capturing those spontaneous moments to creating stunning memories, these cameras are your go-to pals. Whether you're just starting out or looking for an upgrade, this video has got your back. And hey, no complicated jargon here, just good old camera talk. Get ready to explore the world of photography without breaking a sweat. Oh, by the way, I've got a sweet deal for you. Check the links in the description below to find the best prices on all the fantastic cameras we're chatting about today. Let's make 2024 the year you level up your photography game. Number 5. Olympus EM10. This is my top choice for best visual adventures. With a 20-megapixel live MO sensor, this camera ensures your shots are crisp and clear, capturing every detail effortlessly. But wait, there's more. It's got always-on and background connection features via Bluetooth and OI Share smartphone app, keeping you seamlessly connected. Plus, the fit-down monitor and dedicated selfie mode make it a selfie lover's dream. What's cool is the in-body 5-axis image stabilization, giving you a solid 4.5 shutter speed steps of compensation. No more shaky shots. And let's not forget the 16 art filters, including the new instant film for that nostalgic touch. Digital zoom, check. Optical zoom, double check. This ultra-compact powerhouse is ready for your photography journey. Number 4. Sony Alpha ZV-E10. Here's my top pick for best videos, an absolute gem for your photography needs. With a large 24.2 megapixel APS-C XMOR-C MO sensor and a speedy Bions X processor, this camera ensures your shots are top-notch. Now let's talk video. The 4K movie mode is oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout, no pixel binning. Perfect for those cinematic moments. And the product showcase setting. It smoothly transitions focus from face to object, adding a professional touch. What's cool is the background defocus button. One click and you toggle between that dreamy defocus effect on and off. Plus, easy live streaming with a single USB cable, no extra hardware or software hassle. This mirrorless wonder is user-friendly with exposure control options like aperture priority, auto, manual, program, and shutter priority. Number 3. Fujifilm X S10. My top choice for a reliable, versatile mirrorless camera. Designed for on-the-go photographers, its deep hand grip gives you solid, confident handling with any lens. But don't let its minimalist exterior fool you. Inside, it's all about state-of-the-art simplicity. With the X-Trans T-MOS 4-sensor and X-processor 4 combo, creating stunning results is a breeze. The 26.1 megapixel backside illuminated sensor delivers a wide dynamic range and incredible image quality. Now, let's talk stability. The sensor shift image stabilization puts it right in your hands, ensuring your shots are sharp and steady. And when it comes to video, this powerhouse captures in 2160p resolution. From small camera to big screen, the X S10 has got your creative needs covered with powerful image manipulation made easy. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel SL3. This is my top pick for best beginners-friendly camera, with the EF-THERS 18 to 55mm f4 to 5.6 IS STM kit. With a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, this camera captures crisp and clear shots effortlessly. What's cool is the Digic 8 image processor, ensuring your images are processed with finesse. And if you're into video, the 5-axis image stabilization is there for smooth footage. Need a webcam upgrade? No problem. Turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam and level up your video calls. Plus, with the 9-point phase detection AF and dual pixel CMOS AF, your focus is on point. It's a DSLR, so you get that classic viewfinder experience, optical and straightforward. Number 1. Nikon D3500. Here's my top pick for the best overall. It's like a DSLR that's as easy to use as your favorite point-and-shoot camera. Compact and comfortable, it's perfect for travel and special events, no fuss, just great shots. The image sensor is 15 times larger than typical smartphones, delivering sharper, clearer pictures effortlessly. And here's the cherry on top, it works seamlessly with Nikon's Snap Bridge app. Share your photos with a compatible smartphone or tablet in a snap. Plus, with 1080p Full HD videos and binaural sound at the touch of a button, capturing memories just got simpler. Bluetooth version 4.1. Yep, it's got that too. Alright, fellow camera enthusiasts, that wraps up our tour of the best cameras for beginners in 2024. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade, we've got you covered. If you've got your eye on a favorite, don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices we got the hookup for you. Found our video helpful? Give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow shutterbugs, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay in the loop with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Your photography journey is about to get even more exciting. Stay tuned.